Hello, greetings and salutations. Okay, I want to explain something to you. I want to visually show you something that could blow your mind. Are you ready? Okay. So you may have seen on social media and YouTube and me coming out of my mouth, us always talking about how within Forex trading, you only need 10 pips a day. Okay, 10 pips a day will set you financially free. And people are like, oh no, that can't be enough. Surely I don't really understand what you're talking about. How can 10 pips a day set you financially free? When they see people posting all the time that they've got 150 pips today, 100, 200 pips today. Oh, this week I did 1,000 pips. Right. You don't need all them pips. Honestly, you don't need all those pips. You need to learn and master how to get only 10 pips. That's 10 pips. A pip is a movement in the market, okay? So you start at a certain price. Now that price will either go up for a buy or down for a sell. And every time it moves one position, that is a pip, okay? Now, the value of that pip completely is governed by the amount of your account and how much you're trading, okay? So you could say, oh, I got 10 pips a day, right? Okay, and that could be worth $10 to you. Or you could say, I got 10 pips today, and that could be worth $1,000 to you. Or you could say, I've got my 10 pips today, and that could be $100,000. Okay, we all trade the same Forex markets. Everybody is got a complete level playing field. We're all trading exactly the same, trading system. It depends on what pairs you choose, depends on what lot size you've got. So I want to show you something, right? Okay, what we do with our trading profits is we do something called compounding our money, which is where every time we make a profit, okay, we leave it in our broker account and we let that money compound, which means it is growing every day, so that every day when we go into our broker account to trade, that amount becomes more and more and more. Right. The best way for me to do this is just to show you. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. Share. Right, okay. This is our compounding spreadsheet. This is put together in our Ninja team for you to track your progress and see how you're getting on. Right, this is maths. I am not making any income claims. I am not telling you that you're going to be able to do this exactly by the book, but this is the maths behind it. Okay, this is what I go by every day. I've got my compounding spreadsheet. Let me just prove that to you. Right, mine's here, right? I use that as my guide every day. So let me talk to you about how you can compound your money and how powerful this is. Right, so on this spreadsheet, you've got daily profits, okay? I go on the daily one. You can do it by tracking monthly profits and all sorts of things. Right, we say go for between 2 and 5% growth a day. Okay, I aim for 3% growth in my account per day. Now, if you imagine that at a bank, would you get 3% growth if you put your savings in a bank? No way. Right, so let's just say you started trading with $100. Just $100, okay? And your daily pip goal was 10 pips a day. Yeah, 10 pips a day at 3% growth based on an account size of $100. Now, let me show you the maths, right? Day one, you're trading a $100 account. You're going for 3%. So you are trading with a lot size based on your account size, based on losing or growing 3% of that account. You are going to place a lot size of 0.03. Okay? When you get your 10 pips, you have gained $3 profit, making your total now $103. Now you're going, oh, whoopie-doo, $3, that's not going to set me financially free, is it? No, but stay with me, Don't forget, we're basing this on $100, only 3% a day. You can be as aggressive or passive as you like when you trade, right? But this is what we recommend. So day two, you start with $103, right? You trade 3% of your account. You put a lot size of 0.03. You've got back in profit 3.09, making your account 106.09. Day 3, you're starting with 106.09. You're going for 3%. You have now made $3.18, right? So you'll say, right, okay, I've been in 3 days. You know, I've made £9. Wow, right, $9. Right, but this is where you need to have a mindset where, let me look into the future. Remember, if you put this $100 into a savings account, would you have made $9 on it in 3 days? No. Right, watch this. As your account grows, so look, down here on day 7, it's up to 119. Now you've got a slightly bigger account, so your lot size can slightly increase to 0.04, giving you a return of $3.58. Now, as we go down to day 20, now there are 20 trading days a month on average, okay, because they don't trade on Saturdays and Sundays. This is not based on Saturdays and Sundays, this is based on Monday to Friday. Right, on day 20, your account size is now $175. You're still trading on your 3%, and your lot size now is 0.05. So after the first 20 days of trading, you have turned your $100 into $180, okay? But don't start looking at this and going, well, I've only made $5 a day, right? You're not taking any of this money out yet. You're compounding your money, which means you're leaving it in here to grow so that your account can grow and you can get it to a size that you can start drawing profits out of, right? That's the goal here. So this is just 20 days later. Right, don't forget, this is maths. There's going to be days where you have slight losses. There's going to be days where you get maybe a few more pips than you was imagining, okay? But this is an average. This is worked out mathematically. Right, so this is month 1, right? So as we go into month 2, as you start with your $180, still going for the same, you're still going for 10 pips a day at 3%. You are going to learn via us how to master getting 10 pips a day, right? You're going to master that. Okay, now you're trading 0.05 lot size because your account's a little bit bigger and your return starts to go to $5.42. Right, so let's skip, okay, because I know that you're thinking, oh God, I don't know if I can wait this long, but you will wait this long when you see the results, right? At the end of month 2, your account, your $100 has turned into $326, right? We're giving you a return of $9 a day, right? Not bad for $100, right? After just 2 months. But you're now going, oh, this isn't exciting me. This isn't a millionaire lifestyle. Wait and watch. Let's skip forward, doing that same process where you start with that new figure on month 3. So you're starting on that 326. After month 3, your 326, based on 3% growth, 10 pips a day, has turned into 589. 4 months. 4 months in, your $100 has turned into $1,064. Getting a little bit more exciting now, giving you a return in profit of $30 a day. Right? Now, 4 months in, based on a $100 account you started with. Let's jump forward to 6 months, trading 6 months, mastering 10 pips a day, based on still the 3% lot size, okay? Not 3% loss, a 3% return in profit, right? You're starting $1,921. At the end of 6 months, it has turned into $3,471, giving you an average return per day of $101. Getting excited now? Is this getting a little bit more interesting now? Remember, you're only getting 10 pips a day. This spreadsheet is based on 10 pips a bloody day, going for 3%, right? Right, are you ready for this? Based on this figure still, we're going to skip forward a year. We want a year's commitment out of you that you are going to get your 10 pips a day, 3% risk on your account, right? We're going to teach you how to get your 10 pips. We're going to give you the tools you need to get your 10 pips. 12 months in. What do you think your $100 has turned into in 12 months? Month 12. You have turned your $100 into $120,000, giving you a return in profit $3,000 a day? Have we just set you financially free? Would $3,000 a day return set you financially free? Are we close? Are we close? You've started with $100. You're getting 10 pips a day. 10 pips a day. Right. So you're saying to me, right, okay, but that's maths. That's, you know, that's never going to happen, right? If you'd done that, if you only did half of that, say you had some losses, if you only did half of 120,000 in a year based on a $100 starting account, if you did $60,000, if you turned your $100 into 60,000 after a year, do you understand the power of trading Forex? Do you understand why, if you can come in and you can grow your account 3% a day, right? If you did it 10%, right? If you did 10 pips a day at 3% every day, you would get 120,000. So let's be really sensible here. Say you did half, 60,000, $100 into 60,000 in a year. Where else can you do that? Where else can you do that? It makes me so frustrated because people need to see the power of this. This is mind-blowing. This is happening. This is real. This is not a major biz-op. This is not let's go and sell and recruit loads of people. This is you learning a skill, focusing, learning how to get 10 pips a day out of a $6 trillion a day industry from your own home, on your mobile phone, around your lifestyle, with the group support and training that we give you in our Ninja team. We will teach you how to get 10 pips a day. You can start this process. Start your spreadsheet. Put $100 in your trading account and let's do this. Let's set you financially free. Let's stop messing about and let's get this done. Let's set you free. It's about time. It's your time. Come on. I'm serious. That's why I'm so passionate about this, because I've been going through my spreadsheet and I am just mind blown by the way that my account's growing. It is going to set us free. It is our pension. It is our lifestyle. This can be yours too. Anyone can do this if you give it your focus and you learn to do this. It's not hard. If I can do this, I've got no education whatsoever. If I can do this, you can do this. We are there to help you. The tools are there to help you. I Am Academy is there to train you. We can do this. Right. You need to go to this link under this video and watch the 6-minute overview, and you need to reach out to me on Facebook or YouTube or somewhere so that I can get you plugged into this. Let's do this together. Right. See you on the inside. I'll see you in there.